Hey, today we're going to talk about how to use ChatGPT to prepare for a SQL technical interview. What we're going to do is we're going to create a database. We're going to generate customized SQL questions tailored to the job description that you are preparing for the interview for. And we are going to be able to answer those questions and get feedback on those questions that are generated, all in under 5 minutes. So let's get to it. All right, first thing we're going to do is head on over to ChatGPT, and today we're going to be using the free version of ChatGPT. I do have a Plus subscription myself, but GPT 3.5 is what the free version is currently built on. And so we're going to take the prompt that's in the description below, and we're going to paste it in here. And what this is telling ChatGPT is help me practice for a SQL technical interview. I need a database and 5 questions of increasing difficulty based on the job description that I'm going to provide you. And so we're going to delimit out the job description by using triple quotes. And what this does is it helps ChatGPT distinguish better between what you're asking it and the job description itself. And so we're going to use this healthcare analytics and insights lead job description from Qventus here. And you can sub this out with any job description that you're preparing for a technical interview with. So I'm going to grab the title. Then I'm going to grab the description all the way down to the salary and regulatory jargon, place that in here, close it out with triple quotes, and send it to ChatGPT. And so what ChatGPT will do is it will provide you with tables in the database schema, along with columns, primary keys, and foreign keys, and then it will start providing you with the questions here. And at this point, what you can do is you can develop the queries directly here in the ChatGPT interface, or you can go out to your development environment and develop the queries out there, and then come back and feed them to ChatGPT to get feedback on the response that you gave it. Now, the development environment is going to be nicer because it gives you formatting assistance, as well as it lets you practice how you write your code with that formatting. So I'd encourage you to go out there and do that. But with some of the more basic questions, we can easily do it here, right, directly in ChatGPT. So let's tackle this first question. So question 1, it's our basic question. Write a SQL query to retrieve the names of all patients who were admitted to the hospital in the last 7 days. So we'll go up to the patients table. It looks like we have the admission date and name here, so that should be good. So we're gonna select name and then shift enter to get a new line from patients where admission date is less than or equal to date sub now interval 7-day. All right. And then we'll feed that in there. I think I misspelled admission. I did. Yep. So admission, I'd put an S here instead of excluding that. So it gives me feedback saying that was wrong. Now, in your development environment, if you're actually working with a database, it's likely that you won't miss that just because it'll bring it back automatically. But it's good to have that feedback. And so as you get more and more complex queries, the feedback that you get from ChatGPT, you can iterate on and ask questions if you don't quite understand why your syntax is incorrect and why the query is incorrect, and you can ask it and for the follow-up feedback on those questions, which makes it super invaluable. So I hope this helped you. I hope you are better able to prepare for your technical interviews with this method. And as always, stay nerdy, my friends.